This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and today we will be replacing your keyboard on your Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. First thing you want to do is remove your batteries. Open the unit. You want to take out the screws on the cover plate here. The keyboard comes right up. I'm going to take these screws out. Lift the connector up. And now you can replace and set your new keyboard down. Push the connector back in, screws back in. And now you can put the cover plate back on, screws back in, batteries back in, and you're all set. Keyboard's replaced. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.